Hi everyone, in today's video I will show you how to register your Dyson product warranty in 2026. So first of all you need to open your web browser. Over here in the search bar you need to search for dyson.com/registration. Now as soon as you do this without even worrying about it, you will be landed on the Dyson product registration page. Now over here you can click on this drop down menu and select your region, and then you need to start filling out these details. So here first of all simply provide your email address, then click on the option of continue. Afterwards it is going to ask you which Dyson machine do you own. So you just have to select the Dyson machine that you have, whether it is a vacuum, air purifier or hair dryer or any other Dyson appliance. Afterwards you just have to simply select your product, and then you need to provide its serial number for further information. Then after filling out some of the product related details and some of the details about yourself, you need to basically finalize your registration. Once it is successful, your Dyson product will be linked to your My Dyson account, and after basically login, you will be able to verify the warranty verification, faster repair support, owner exclusive support, and maintenance tips. So if this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.